Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Jimmy. This is Fare from Scratch, and today we're going to be making scrambled eggs. We start off by just cracking our eggs into a bowl, and we're just going to make sure we don't have any shell in this bowl. Scrambled eggs are a pretty easy thing to make, but I'm going to try to give you a few tricks to make them even more delicious. The first trick is that you're going to want to make sure your yolk and your egg whites are completely mixed together. When you look at your scrambled eggs, you don't want there to be any kind of like shadows or egg whites that aren't mixed into the yolk, and I'll show you what that looks like right here. Now I like to keep my scrambled eggs really simple, so the only thing I add is a little bit of salt. You can certainly add cheese and other things, but I think simple is better in this recipe. Now we're going to take one more look just to make sure everything's mixed in, and then we'll get cooking. So you can see here everything is pretty smooth. Now we're going to put a non-stick frying pan on medium heat, and we're just going to put a little bit of butter in there and just spread it out so it covers the bottom of the entire pan. Now I'm using one of these non-stick spatulas here, but another good alternative, if you have them, is chopsticks. The only thing you really don't want to use here is a metal fork. So once our butter's spread, we're going to put our eggs in, and we're just going to constantly mix. And we're going to pull everything into the center. Now I like to leave them a little bit runny and just let them finish cooking on the plate. Now some may call it a sin, but I do like to add a little bit of ketchup to my eggs and also a little bit of hot sauce. Now this hot sauce we actually made in a prior video. It's a cayenne pepper hot sauce. So again, the keys here are make sure everything is thoroughly mixed and never stop stirring when you put the eggs in your pan. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe.